Hi, it's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and today I am back again with another video. Let's get started. So, today I want to talk to you about my three banks that I have and how and why I use them. In today's video, I have a lot of information to cover, so I took some notes, so periodically you'll see me kind of looking down at my notes, so just ignore that. I want to make sure I cover everything that I have to cover today. So anyways, like I said, today's video is about the three banks that I use on a regular basis to do my budgeting. Anyways, I have more than three banks. One of these days I'll make a video about all of the banks that I currently use. But right now I have three that I mainly use to do my budgeting. So the first one is Navy Federal Credit Union. I love Navy Federal Credit Union. I've been using it for about a year now. Well, probably exactly a year now. I used to mainly use Chase, but I've been slowly moving over all of my bill paying from Chase to Navy Federal. And I love Navy Federal. And one of the reasons why I love Navy Federal is that I get my my paycheck deposited to my checking account a day early, and that's good. It's always good to get your money a day early. So, anyways, for all three of these banks, I have direct deposit going to all three of them from my payroll. So the largest amount goes to Navy Federal, and then there's two smaller amounts go to the other two banks, which I'm going to cover down the road. So I mainly use Navy Federal as my operating account for running my budget. So most of my paycheck goes to this account, and most of my bills are paid from this account. And then for all three of the accounts, I have them completely automated. I don't like going in there trying to remember when a bill is due, did I pay them, and all this other stuff. I have all three accounts automated. My payroll gets directly deposited into them, and then they are automatically debited as needed, either on the credit card due date or on the bill due date, and so forth. So anyway, so like I said, Navy Federal Credit Union is the operating account for my budget. So the next bank that I budget with is my Chase account. And like I mentioned earlier, Chase used to be my operating account, but I kind of been moving everything over from Chase. I've been banking with Chase for a pretty long time. Like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, I've been banking with them for like 25 years. I think originally when I started banking with them, it was like Washington Mutual or something like that. But anyways, I don't find Chase is a big bank, it's a good bank, but I find and the other two banks that I'm covering today to be a little bit more friendlier than Chase Bank. So, but anyways, I use Chase as my cash account. So what that is so basically any bills that I have to pay with my debit card, I pay them through Chase. And then I have one bill, believe it or not. I can't believe in 2021 someone's still doing this, but I do have one bill that the person requires me to pay them in cash. So I actually have to go to the ATM, take out cash, and hand it to this person. But all the other bills that I pay through Chase is bills that I can't pay with my credit card, that I have to use my debit card to pay those bills. As you guys know, I budget with my credit card. I pay my bills with my credit card. Then I via my checking account, I then pay that particular bill. So anyways, and it allows me to get points and cash back and so forth. So I love budgeting with my credit card. I treat my credit card as my checking account and / cash. And so if I don't have the cash in my checking, then I don't have basically the cash in my credit card. So anyways, I'm kind of going off on a tangent. Anyway, so the bottom line, Chase is my cash account for bills that I can't pay with my credit card. Anyways, and last but not least is my Capital One account. And this account is basically my sinking funds. And I know some of you guys may or may not know what a sinking fund is. Basically, it's short-term savings. So I have 7 accounts inside of my inside of my Capital One account, and it's savings for lots of different things. I'm gonna give you some examples. I do have 7. I'm not gonna list them all, but the accounts that I have that I think you guys will find useful. Like I have a sinking funds for my car repair, and that's something in the past that got me into a lot of trouble. You know, I had a car that was constantly breaking down, and I was using my credit card to pay those bills, and that never really paying them off. But now I have a sinking funds for my car repair, so I'm always putting away cash every payday for car repair, because I know my car is going to need some type of repair, like car tires, oil change, and so forth. And so I'm always putting away some money every pay period for when those things come up. So I have a sinking funds for car repair. I have a sinking funds for birthdays and holidays. I have a sinking fund for house maintenance. I have a sinking funds for cell phone replacement, because you guys know cell phones these days are so expensive. And then when it's time for them to repair it, you know, we go through that, hey, just make payments on the cell phone. But now I put money aside, so when it's time to replace my cell phone, I just pay for it in cash. But actually, I pay for it with my credit card and then pay off my credit card so I can get the points. But anyways, and then I also have sinking funds for travel. I don't do too much travel, but if and when that happens, you know, I have money set aside for, you know, paying for airline tickets or whatever may come up that's travel related. So I put away money on every paycheck for the 7 sinking funds, so that money will be available when those particular things come up, instead of me just using a credit card and racking up debt. I have this short-term savings sit in my Capital One account, dedicated for specific things when they come up. So anyways, and also my sinking funds, that account is completely automated. I literally have to do nothing. It is my paycheck. I have a small part of my paycheck directly deposited into my Capital One account on one day, on, you know, whatever, on payday. In fact, this one, my Capital One account comes 2 days early. So actually that funds is available 2 days early, earlier than payday. And then usually like on Saturday morning, I get paid every other Friday. So, but my funds from my that gets directly deposited from my payroll gets there Wednesday, and then Saturday morning, then it will just automatically disperse out into the 7 accounts that I have set up in my Capital One account. So I love it. I love automation. All of my accounts are automated, so it's a no-brainer to me. So anyways, those are my 3 accounts and how I use them for my budgeting, and they've been really working out for me. So anyways, so I don't know if you guys have tried anything like this before. If you have, you know, comment down below. Let me know, you know, how many bank accounts that you have and how you use them. I am curious, and maybe I can learn something from you guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Credit Family, thank you very much.